Hey friends, in this video we are going to cover how to add your products into the e-commerce website, but this time we are going to do it one by one. So basically we need to go to the products, and as you can see I don't have any products added yet. What I'm going to do is add a product. And when I add a product, I need to first select the single photograph of the product. So I'm going in here. I have all the products saved here. So I'm going to actually just sort it by name. And this is my first product which I'm adding. As far as the name is concerned, we are going to just take the name directly from my Excel sheet. I'm going to take the code first, put it here, then take the name, put it here, category, I'm going to put it here, description, I'm going to put it here, selling price, I'm going to put it here, and product price, I'm going to put it here. And that's about it. I'm going to leave everything empty. And then I'm not going to actually go into variants. We don't want to do that yet. We are not going to cover custom fields. We are going to cover it in another video. But I've got more photographs for the same product. What I can do is I can do this, go to these 4 photographs, which are the photographs of the same product, open here, upload them all, and basically save. Once I do this, I can see that this product has been created, and if I want to actually review this product, I can review it from here. To edit the product, I can go in here and edit. To delete the product, you can do it here. To preview it in the store, you can just click here and see how this product is looking in the store. That's about it in creating this product. Thank you.